Hello, thinkers, and welcome back to Soch Academy. Today, I'm going to share with you the books which made me fall in love with reading, with which I began my reading journey. So, I hope that they will inspire you to develop a reading habit and also improve your English. So, let's get started. I have divided the books into three categories: short stories, fiction, and classics. Category 1: Short Stories. Book 1: 365 Fairy Tales. So, this book has one story per day for a year to read. So, you can very easily start developing a reading habit because it takes only 2 to 3 minutes to read one story, and you can continue to read those stories every day. And also, it has very amazing collection of fairy tales. Book 2: Happy Time Fairy Tales. This has 6 fairy tales or 6 short stories. These are amazing classic short stories with amazing illustrations. Book 3: Tell Me a Story. Editor: famous author Ravinder Singh. This book has short stories written by people from different walks of life. So, this book offers you a range of perspectives and it is very interesting. Category 2 is fiction. Book 4: The Circus of Adventure, the Adventure series. So, this is a series of 8 books, and it is one of them. When I first started reading this book, I could not put it down because it is filled with mystery and it invites you to keep on reading it till you get to the end of the mystery. And I ended up reading all the 8 books from the series, and then I also read other series. So I would highly recommend this book. It is very interesting. Book 5: The Secret Seven, again by Annette Blyton. So this is also a series of 15 books. It takes you into this world of childhood memories and childhood adventure. It is also filled with mystery. Book 6: Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So it takes you into this amazing world of fantasy of a chocolate factory, and it is very delightful. It is also very easy. Category 3: Classics. Book 7: Black Beauty by Anna Sewell. So this is an abridged or simplified version of the original novel. If you don't find the exact same copy, you can look for the abridged version by other publications. This book seems like it is for children, but it is also great for adults. It offers a lot more perspective than what appears. It is an autobiography of a horse, so it gives you insight into the lives of horse from the perspective of a horse. Book 8 is The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway, a classic novel. It is a small book and easy to read, very simple, but it has deeper layers of meaning. So the more you think about it, the more interesting it becomes. Book 9: Four Stories from Shakespeare. So these are simplified versions of Shakespeare's plays, 4 of them. And if you want to get acquainted to Shakespeare, then this is your place to start. If you want to develop interest in reading, then these books are a great place to start with. They helped me to fall in love with reading, and I went on to read many more books after them. So, the benefits of reading books is that they are fun and engaging. So, you don't have to force yourself to practice English. Curiosity and interest leads the way. You also learn different sentence structures and you can practice building different types of sentences. You also learn a lot of active vocabulary because you learn new words and you learn them in context. So you also learn how to use them in different situations, and you get loads of language exposure. You immerse yourself effortlessly into learning English language without having to try too hard. So, if you ask me, this is a very good way to improve your English. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments which book will you start reading, and if you are already in love with reading, then please share what books you have read. and maybe I can try some of them too. I will see you in the next video.